Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Honda YouTube channel. My name is Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm showing you around our current available Jazzes in the showroom. We've got some excellent offers on these cars as well. You can see here this is the Jazz Elegance in the premium sunlight white. Stunning car, stunning colour. Inside this is just a standard Jazz. So you've got the cloth seats, you've got parking sensors, full LED tail lamps and headlights as well, which is great. Really nice vehicle. I've done the quote on this on Facebook so you can see. We do also have a new cosmetic maintenance plan and an alloy and tyre maintenance plan, so you can ask one of the sales team about that and they'll be able to tell you all about it. Included it in the quote so you get an idea. Jazz is a great 1.5 self-charging hybrid, so really smooth, really efficient as well, and great availability. If you're not a fan of either of these, we can order them in and get loads of models in within a couple of weeks as well, but these two can be available from next week. Thank you for watching. Any questions, call us on 01539 760 370. We'll see you very shortly.